We are solving 2 plus 3 minus 5 whole to the power 1 times 4. Okay, 2 plus 3 minus 5 equals minus 2 to the power of 1 times 4. Now, okay, after parentheses, inside the parentheses, exponents first, right? So 2 plus minus 2 to the power of 1 equals minus 2 to the power of 1 equals 1, right? No, minus 2 to the power of 1 equals minus 2. So minus 2 and times 4. Now multiplication must be done before addition and subtraction. So multiply first. So 2 plus minus 2 and times 4 equals minus 8. Now 2 plus minus 8 minus plus minus, so minus 6.